SCA The Periodic Table. Part 1. Literacy. Iron is an example of a metal, an especially strong one. As the major component of steel, it holds up tall buildings and provides transportation in cars, trains, and bikes. In our blood, iron carries oxygen molecules to our cells. Like all metals, it has luster, shine, conducts heat and electricity, and are malleable, can be easily shaped. Like every metal except for mercury, iron is a solid under normal conditions. Metals might seem like the most useful group of elements, but life is mostly made of nonmetals. Take carbon, for example. About 1/6 of your body weight is carbon. Every living thing contains this most essential of elements. Nonmetals are a big, varied category. Most nonmetals are dull and brittle, breaks easily. They're found in nature as gases, liquids, and solids. 1. Which of the following are characteristics of all metals? A. Luster, good conductor of heat and electricity, malleable. B. Conductor of heat and electricity, contain carbon. C. Luster, good conductor, solid under normal conditions. D. Can be found in nature as gases, liquids, or solids. 2. According to the text, most nonmetals are dull and brittle. Which characteristic is the opposite of brittle? A. Dull. B. Luster. C. Conductor. D. Malleable. Part 2. Vocabulary. Use the definitions as answer choices for questions 3-7. 3. Metal. 4. Nonmetal. 5. Group families. 6. Periods. 7. Metalloid. A. A vertical column of elements in the periodic table. B. Good conductors of heat and electric current. C. Poor conductors of heat and electric current. D. Have properties that are similar to those of metals and nonmetals. E. The horizontal rows of the periodic table. Part 3. Multiple choice. 8. What is the periodic table? A. A chart that lists all the molecules that exist in the universe. B. A chart that shows all the elements scientists have discovered. C. A chart that shows all the compounds found in the world. D. A chart that shows what time periods elements were discovered. 9. How is the periodic table helpful to scientists? A. It allows them to see how many electrons are in a compound. B. It's shown what newly discovered elements will be named. C. It shows them all the compounds that elements can create. D. It helps them find information quickly. 10. When scientists see the letters O, they know it means gold. What is O? A. The atomic number. B. The element symbol. C. The color. D. The element section. 11. What can you find on the periodic table? A. The chemical formula for salt. B. The number of hydrogen atoms that are in a molecule of water. C. All the compounds that exist in the universe. D. All the elements that have been discovered. 12. How many elements are there on the periodic table? A. 118. B. 2000. C. 75. D. 100. 13. Why isn't water on the periodic table? A. Because it is a liquid at room temperature. B. Because it doesn't have any protons. C. Because it is a compound. D. Because it is not made up of elements. (14) Which of the following is a characteristic of a metal? A. It is a liquid at room temperature. B. It conducts heat and electricity. C. It doesn't have an atomic number. D. It cannot be melted down.